Here's how to replace Siri with ChatGPT on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you find that Siri is lacking, it just doesn't have enough capabilities, you can always switch it over to ChatGPT instead. I'll show you how to do it, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is head into your settings here. And once you're on your settings, we need to tap on General and About. Now, you can see here the model name. You need an iPhone 15 or an iPhone 16. So it can be iPhone 15 Pro, 16 Pro, the Max versions, whatever, but it needs to be a 15 or a 16. The reason for this is because we need to go back and it needs to have the action button to be able to make this work. So you can see under accessibility is action button. I can tap on this and it allows me to choose exactly what this button on the very side does. And we can have it enabled for ChatGPT instead of Siri. So you can see here silent mode, focus, camera, flashlight, voice memo, recognize music, magnifier, controls, and shortcut accessibility. We are going to choose shortcuts on here. And the shortcut, we're going to hit choose a shortcut. And now the first thing you need to do is make sure you have ChatGPT installed onto your phone. So if you scroll down, you can see ChatGPT. I'm going to tap on it and it will show me various options. Now, all I have to do is I can hit Ask ChatGPT or Start a New Chat, or I'm going to hit Start a Voice Conversation. So now that I've set that basically action mode to start a conversation with ChatGPT, all I need to do is press and hold on it. Write me a poem. Write me a poem. And just like that, it will start writing you a poem or just listen to what you're saying, respond to various prompts, all of that stuff directly in the ChatGPT app, and it will pop up with all of those things. Of course, you can change that action button to be various other things like starting a text conversation or anything like that, so that basically you can disable Siri and disable that press and hold the side button for Siri and just use your action button for ChatGPT instead. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.